Yeah, that's what I fucking thought, you fucking punk. You're not gonna do shit. You won't do shit, you fucking punk. You're not gonna do a goddamn thing. None of you! Fuck that! Fuck all of you! Fuck everyone! You know why? I think it's this kid over here. Just kidding. I'm kidding. But if you're gonna fucking tweet, you know what you do? You move in fucking silence. And if you have a fucking problem, you say it to their face. That's how you fucking do it. You move in fucking silence, alright? So fuck all of you. But you know guys, I am very, very